Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the revision for the chapter 15 data handling from your book. The first topic that we have discussed is telemarks. Now, what are telemarks? Suppose this is a table given to you. We have here the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and this is the frequency. Now, as we know, frequency means how many times it is repeating. Suppose I have number 1, how many times number 1 is repeating? 6 times it is repeating, right? Now I want to show this frequency in the form of telemarks. Now in the form of telemarks, how will I write is, firstly the 4 bars, 1 2 3 4, and the fifth bar is written by a diagonal like this. We are cutting the 4 lines, and sixth line is again a vertical bar. Right, now number 2 is having the frequency 7, so it will be written in the form of telemarks as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Number 3 is having the frequency 6, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number 4 is having the frequency 5, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5. Again 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now number 6 is having the frequency 6, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this way, if we have the frequency, then we can easily draw the telemarks. Next we have one question. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. Make a table and enter the data using telemarks. Find the number that appeared. A part, the minimum number of times. So firstly we have to draw the telemarks table. For this we have the data as given in this question. We have numbers till 6. On the dice we have numbers till 6. So how many times number 1 is appearing? Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number 1 is appearing 7 times. Number 2, 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 times. Similarly, number 3 is here 5 times. Number 4 is here at 4 times. Number 5 is here in the table 11 times. Number 6 is appearing 7 times. Now we have to draw the telemarks for this. Now for 7, we will draw it like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 6 is written as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 is written as 1 2 3 4 5. 4 is written as 4 bars, 1 2 3 4. 11 is written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and one more bar will be here, 11. 7 is written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have to answer this A part, the minimum number of time. Find the number that appeared minimum number of time. Minimum means lesser, the smallest. Now you can see here from the frequency, this frequency 4 is the lowest, which is for number 4. It means the number 4 is appearing minimum number of times. Next we have pictographs. Pictographs, as you can see here, pictographs means by using pictures we represent the data. Right, now suppose on the left hand side we have class, 5th class, and here a smiley is having the symbol 5 girls. A smiley means 5 girls. So in 5th class we have 3 smileys. 3 smileys means 5 5 5, so it will be 15. For 6th class we have 4 smileys, so it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, it will be 20. For 7th class we have 5 smileys, so it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that means it is 25. For 8th class we have again 4 smileys, so it is 20. Again for 9th class we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 smileys, so it will be 6 into 5, or you can say 5 times you have to, 6 times you have to add 5. So for 9th class the frequency is 30. Now question is representing numerical data by using picture symbols. The table represents the number of flowers a nursery produces. In the month of January to February, 350 flowers, March to April, 800 flowers, May to June, 200, July to August, 700, September to October, 650, and November to December, 100. So you have to draw a pictograph for this. So let us draw for January. Firstly, we have to select a symbol. As you can see, the data is in 100, so it will be better if I mark one flower, one symbol as 100 flowers. So for January to February, it is 350. So 3 full flowers, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 half flower. Half flower means 50, so answer is 350 for this. Next, for March to April, we have 800. It means 8 full flowers. For May to June, we have 200, so 2 flowers. July to August, 700, so 7 flowers. September to October, 650, so 6 full flowers and 1 half flower. November to December, 100 means 1 full flower. Next is the toy shop around the corner had 3 toys on sale last week: a doll, a toy train, and a toy truck. The following picture graph shows how many of each were sold by the shop last week. Use the information to answer the questions. First question is, okay, one gift box stands for one toy. So first question, how many dolls were sold last week? So dolls, 1, 2, 3. 3 dolls are sold. How many toy trains were sold? Toy trains are this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many more toy trucks than dolls were sold last week? Now toy trucks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dolls are 3. So difference is 5 minus 3, 2. So 2 more toy trucks are sold than dolls. Which toy was sold the most? Clearly, which is having the maximum number of gift symbols? This toy train is sold most number of times. Next is about a bar graph. We know a bar graph is also called a bar chart, is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. So in bar graph, we draw the bars like this, rectangular bars of different heights. Now the question is, a survey of 145 people asked them which is the nicest fruit. So fruits are given and people, the number of people which say apple. 35 people says apple, 30 people say orange is best. So here is the graph. How we draw the graph is, on the horizontal axis we always draw the names of the fruits or something like this, whatever data is it is about. And on vertical axis we always write the frequency. Frequency means how many people are saying, how many marks we got, so the numbers. Now for apple, 35 people. So let us draw a bar first with a height of 35. We have taken the gaps of 5, 5, 5. So this is the first bar for apple. Always you will do the labeling also. Then orange, 30 bars. So 30 is here. Then banana, 10 bars. Kiwi fruit, 25. Blueberry, 40. And grapes, 5. So this way I have to draw the graph. Next is, in a recent test, this many students got these grades: A, B, C, D. A grade is scored by 4 students. B grade is scored by 12 students, like this. So how to draw the graph? Again, as the data is having the minimum value 2 and maximum is 12, so we can take again the gap of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, like this. So on the horizontal axis we will be having grades, and on the vertical axis the number of students. A grade is scored by 4 students, so 4 is here. B grade is scored by 12 students. Then C, 10 students, and D grade by 2 students. So this way I have to draw the bar graph. Next I have the question. This bar graph shows the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. So answer the following questions. What data is shown on the vertical and horizontal axis? Now on horizontal these are the cities, and on vertical we have temperature. Which city has the highest temperature? Now highest temperature is here, which is for the city Chandrapur. Third question, which cities had equal maximum temperature? Now clearly these two cities have equal temperature, which is Panchgani and Mathuran. Which cities had maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? So 30 is here. Yes, so Pune is the city which is having the maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Panchgani is here and Chandrapur is here. So Chandrapur is having 35 and Panchgini 25. So difference is 10. So these are the answers given to you. Next again, you have to see this and answer the questions. What is the information given by the bar graph? So these are the number of tickets sold in different regions of the of India, or you can say different states of India. How many tickets of Assam state lottery were sold by the agent? So for Assam we have how many tickets? 40. Of which state were the maximum number of tickets sold? Clearly Haryana is having the maximum numbers of tickets sold. State whether true or false, the maximum number of tickets sold is 3 times the minimum number of tickets sold. Now the maximum is 100 and minimum is 20. If we multiply 20 with 3, answer is 60. It is not 100. 3 times means when we multiply it. So it is false. Of which state were the minimum number of tickets sold? Rajasthan is the that state for which minimum number of tickets are sold. Next again, what information is given by the bar graph? So on vertical axis we have the production of cement and in which year. So this is giving information how much cement is produced in which year. What was the production of cement in the year 1980 to 81? So for 80 to 81 we have this 200 lakh tons. So these are the units given, 200 lakh tons. What is the minimum and maximum production of cement and corresponding years? Minimum is here, that is approximately 30, and maximum is here, which is 240, right? So this is all about for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.